Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. Whether you're downtown or off-road, this truck provides torque and efficiency no other midsize pickup can match. Features include Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Chevrolet 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated bucket seats, V6 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We're conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.